from Law Advisor India. Today our topic will be divorce for NRIs in India. Divorce has always been a controversial topic from society for Indians who are in abroad or for foreigners as well. But with the progression of our society and the wave of true meaning of feminism and liberalization, divorce, even as a word, has become a socially responsible way to have a better standard of living, even after crucial circumstances. Divorces as a whole are based on two general interpretations. First case is when there's a mutual consent between both the parties. Mutual consent can be because they don't want to live with each other or they have lost interest with each other, and so they decide that they should have a divorce. Our second interpretation of divorce is exactly opposite of our first interpretation, which is non-mutually consented divorce or contested otherwise. The grounds for this divorce can be either of the party is being violent towards the other party, or one party has abandoned the other for more than 1 year, or any other reason which are explicitly mentioned in the article. An NRI can seek divorce in either foreign courts or in Indian courts as well. When the jurisdiction comes under foreign courts, it can be the place of their residence. Like if they are residing in a US-based nation, then the foreign court will have the jurisdiction of that particular area. As well as in Indian courts, the place of residence will be the last place stayed in India. When an NRI files a case for divorce in a foreign court, then the degree of the divorce will be governed by that foreign nation's country only. But it will also be applicable in India, provided that the divorce is on the grounds of mutual consent only and not otherwise. Now, when an NRI files a case decree for divorce in Indian courts, then two circumstances can happen. Either they have to travel back and forth to that particular jurisdiction, or they can hire a power of attorney who will look into the matter. But even if they hire a power of attorney, they have to appear in front of the court at least for 2 times. So, if you are an NRI or if you are facing any legal problems relating to divorce, we at Law Advisor India, an NRI exclusive initiative to tackle all these issues, are all set to hear you. Do contact us. Thank you.